Okay, persona management, personal sub-areas for primary wage types. Okay, wage types. Personal sub-area for primary wage types. For primary wage types, sub-area, enterprise structure, all sub-areas for primary wage types. Personal sub-area, position, personal area. Okay, we have Caltex and okay, enterprise structure for wage type model. Enterprise structure for wage type model and revised default wage type. Subtype 1 and 10 and 1. Otherwise, let's check that node employee group. We have employee group. What is our employee group? Let's have a look at that. Personal sub area and ours was C employee group. Okay. Create nodes C transfer and then employee subgroup. Create nodes employee subgroup and subgroup was hourly CS and CH. Am I right? CS and CH. Create nodes CS. I hope and CH. Okay, subgroup hourly. Subgroup was hourly and salaried and 10 hourly. Start date. Wage type. Enterprise structure. Okay, we'll skip this step as it is saying over here. We do not need this right now. Okay, revised default wage types. Revised default wage types. But anyways, we just had a look at this. So we just got a feeling about it. Okay. Default wage type. New entries. New entries. Wage type model. Target wage type model. Okay. Caltex wage type model. Sequence 01/01/2024 31/12/999. Mode will be choose O always rewritten and overwritten. O. Now what is O? Basically out of selection of the options. Let's see what it says. F and O. Okay. F and O means F1. We will see what it says. Wage type is assigned in basic pay and cannot be overwritten. Wage type can be entered and overwritten. Okay, so we'll just Caltex mode O, wage type. Okay, define annual salary. That is the next one. Pay scale 3371, pay scale Caltex 3371, if I remember it. This is till 2023. We'll go for this one. Okay, save. Okay, okay. Next is define annual salary. Okay, define annual salary. Wage type for annual salary. Wage type for annual salary. Ansal subtype otherwise. And what do we have in otherwise? Molga. Molga. Uh, 10 is USA. Employee group is active. Subgroup C3 and C4, not CS and CH. Okay. Okay. Now what we'll do is this will give us a perspective. C3, C4. C3, C4. Okay, save it. We've already added it. Relevant wage types for annual salary. Valuation. Relevant wage types for annual salary valuation. That's the next step. And indirect evaluation model, Ansal, new entries. Come on. New entries. Indirect evaluation model is Ansal. And I guess we don't have 3371. 3371 is not there. So new entries. Evaluated wage type. Okay. Evaluated wage type 33. Okay, valuation wage type ASAL 7032. TX. Caltex is not found. What is it? Evaluated wage type assigned number 7832. How come we are missing this point? DG. Wage type 3371. Computing. More than 300. Okay. 3371. Yes. Okay. 3371. Start date. Base wage type. Is 71. Okay. 0101 2024 31/12/999. The number 78 and 32. 78 and 32. 77. One entry chosen. 100%. Save. Okay. Save. Wage types. Okay. Wage types, check wage type catalog. Wage types, check wage type catalog. Define wage type permissibility for each. Pay scale group, and pay scale. Okay. Permissibility. Important step, position wage type. 3371. Click details has common grouping. 3. Employee subgrouping, personnel sub area grouping. Employee subgroup grouping, keep 3 with 1, delete all ones. Keep 3 with ones, delete all. Okay. Personnel sub area grouping, 4 with 1. Click wage type characteristics. Click wage type characteristics. Position wage type. Position wage type, yes. Click on wage type. Okay, we've already seen that yesterday. Details, time unit, measurement, hours. Measurement will be hours. Indirect evaluation model. Tariff. Module variant A. Reduction method for indirect valuation. No reduction. Reduction according to capacity utilization level. In basic pay info type. Reduction according to regular weekly time specified in table. Reduction according to weekly working hours. Weekly working hours in T508. So these are some of the options. Reduction, working hours, planned working hours. So they will be reduction. in your working hours as planned or as in the table or any other setup that you have for your factory area or office, that will be done. This is only if the view for German public sector is active. So there are customized ways of calculating your payroll. Okay, rounding type 2, P, and rounding division 1. Okay, save. Revise pay scale groups and levels. Revise pay scale groups. Where is it? Okay. Revise pay scale groups. Employee subgroups for wage types. Revise scale. Okay. Pay scale type H and K country grouping. Where is revise? Why are we missing it? New entries grouping for 3 managers, 1 for executive PS group. Wage types. This is preparation for info type 8 introduction to payroll. Where is revision? Why are we missing it? Okay, wage type, catalog. Device pay scale groups and levels. Okay. Click wage type characteristics. Is done. Wage types, check wage type catalog, characteristics, catalog, basic pay, revise, valuation. Okay, let's check the base wage types. Evaluated wage type. Okay. CLTX. What? Valuation of base wage. New entries. That's all. CLTX. One. 01. 01 2024 3112 93371 100. Okay, save, save. Okay, where is this one? Pay scale groups. This is important. Pay scale groups. Revise pay scale groups. And fair enough. Pay scale type. Pay scale area. This is also CX, I guess. Okay. Caltex. Save. Done with this. Next is personnel management, personnel admin, payroll data. Personnel admin, payroll data, basic pay, wage types. Info type 09, bank details, personnel admin, personnel data, bank details. Admin, personal data, bank details. Okay, main screen PA30, info type 9, change. Okay, PA30, enter. Change. $29.5. Tom, what was feature P02 has not been activated. Overview. Input type 6, address, time constraints, 3 types of constraints. Persona, person, addresses type. We've already seen this, but let's give it a revision. The organizational assignment. No, let's first find out the Caltex employee that we created. Organizational assignment, personnel area. Okay, Timothy Harold. And now we have change info type 6, address. Bank details, change. And constraints, three type of constraints. Communications extension number. Okay. Info type 6 does fall in any constraints. Constraints don't restrain from having multiple addresses at the same time. SPRO, personal admin, personal data addresses. Okay. A tax authority, tax name, tax area. Have we configured this? Let's see. Cap tax. Tax area are defined by SAP already. State of Alabama. So we will have tax authorities and their names and tax codes. Okay. State and federal taxes will be levied, so we save it. Addresses type, each subtype address type has its own constraint. Multiple constraint one info type can give. Restraint constraints. The record has been created. Alabama, save. Work project cannot exceed 100% from 01 to 9. Modify record so that total project does not exceed. Okay, seed. Okay. Station 50. Okay, let's cancel it for now. Maybe there is some error that we can't locate for this location. And addresses, SPRO addresses, addresses type, each subtype, time constraint, whether it can overlap or not overlap, must have no gaps, may include gaps, and customized info types. Okay. Okay, bank details has its subtype field here. Time constraint is T, no time constraints. Bank details, bank connection types, and then of course the payment methods. Check, wire transfer, bank to bank. Main bank travel expenses, Bank of Nevada, you can have your personal banks, accounts, bank branches that can be maintained, or bank countries can be maintained over here. And of course, different mode of banking like that we have over here. Okay. Address for advanced payment. And of course, there can be various categories that we can have. SM30 T582A. Let's go and check this. SM30 T582 maintenance dialog. T T582A. VA. VA. Info type attributes, customizing, maintain. Info type 1 details. Okay. Info type 1. Time constraint 1. Retro accounting payroll. Okay. What do we have to do next? Info type details. Check time constraints, DB tables, and screens. Check time constraints table. This is T for addresses. T is time constraint based on subtype or subtype table. Subtype table T59, 1A, subtype table, and screens, single screen. Now, these are screen formats developed in ABAP. Info type 9, details, 9 details, check time constraints. Okay. Again, T, bank details, bank connection types. Bank details, bank connection type, bank connection type. Okay. Bank details, bank connection types. Okay, new entries. And 7, Bank of Nevada is already there. Time constraint is 3. It may have gaps. Okay, time constraint 3. Okay, next is bank details eligibility rules. Payment methods, very important. Default payment methods, bank details, time constraints, info type 14. Come on. Why is it going under the clouds? Eligibility, payment methods, details, recurring payments, payroll data, recurring payments, deductions, example, recurring allowances, recurring every month and every week. Okay, that is 9. 14, payments and deductions. Okay, I will have to create this as well. Okay, bank details. New entries 9. Context, bank address, time constraint 3. Eligibility rules. Okay. Country grouping. Eligibility for bank transfer. Okay, it's nothing here. No proof. Payment methods. All company codes, paying company codes, payment method in company code, and payment methods in country. Country, of course, it will be universal and then it will be applicable to company codes. country. US. In US, we have check, bank transfer, and of course, we can add more as well. Okay, default payment method is also done, and we can determine defaults. Default payment method, default payment method. Come on. US ZLS CH land 1. US C. Okay, info type 9. Info type 9 is bank details, constraint T, bank details, important field here, bank details type. Time constraint is T. Text allowed, accounting log data. Okay. Payment method feature, default payment method. Okay. Info type 9 bank details. Portfolio payment method. Okay. Info type 14. Recurring payments. Okay. Personal admin payroll data. Personal admin payroll data. Recurring payments. Recurring payments and deductions. Example of recurring payments, that is allowances every week. So this is an important wage type. Okay, personal and payroll data, recurring payments, wage types. Okay, wage types, wage type catalog, copy, uniform allowance, and let me find M114. M114. Okay, and what we'll make here is it was 3371. Yeah, 3371. So 330071. No, 71. We already have that. So let's take it 72. Long text, uniform called text allowance. Okay. And copy wage type, not be copied again. Okay. 3072 copy wage type. Number of wage types, 1 increase by step 1.